Welcome to Indigo, improving agency and personal health through conversational AI, in collaboration with Dr. Joseph Connor. The NHS's Health A to Z catalogue provides a wealth of information about medical conditions and symptoms. However, existing search capabilities are very limited. Our solution is an app which conducts short medical interviews and tries to infer the possible causes of a user's symptoms. We hope this will empower people to find which conditions they may be suffering from in a way which is easier than searching through the catalogue manually. Goals and key requirements. So we wanted to create a reusable pipeline for medical diagnosis based on Bayesian updating and utilizing transformer language models. Secondly, we wanted to expose a collection of Jupyter notebooks that document our data gathering, pre-processing, and model development processes. Thirdly, we wanted to create the front-end app written in JavaScript which can check a user's symptoms. Technologies and APIs. As mentioned, the main input to our system is knowledge about medical conditions and symptoms expressed as natural language from the NHS's Health A to Z catalogue. We needed to convert this unstructured data into a more usable form, and for this we used Jupyter Lab and Google Colaboratory for working with large state-of-the-art language models, such as SBIRD. These pre-trained models were supplied by Hugging Face. We then used NLTK and Spacey to clean the processed data. For app development, we used vanilla JavaScript, however also developed a new UI framework called Fiber, which provides many of the same features as React or Vue, but with less overhead. To optionally deploy the app on mobile devices, we used React Native and Expo. Outputs and APIs. During development, we wanted to make our components as accessible and reusable as possible. So we produced several libraries, including, as mentioned, Fiber, a lightweight framework for building reactive web apps, Fibrous, which is a design system built on top of Fiber, Pipette, which is a system for streamlining pre-processing of data in Python, and we also made our inference model available to any other app using an API written in Flask. This is an overview of our system architecture. The first stage is downloading the articles from the NHS A to Z. This is done using Jupyter Notebook. Then using Pipette, we pass this to a pre-processing stage, which uses NLTK and Spacey to remove noisy data. The pre-processed articles are saved to the disk. Then these are sent to a medical diagnosis model, which takes into account the known symptoms of each condition and the symptoms specified by the user to infer the most likely cause of their symptoms, which condition they're most likely to be suffering from. These results are exposed via Flask and accessed from the front end using built-in browser functions. These are screens from the front-end app. So on the left we have introduction pages in a light theme which explain to the user how the app works. On the right we have the interview process with the last page showing the results of the model. So as you can see, it's saying common cold 71% based on these symptoms. Thank you for watching.